Meaning of flying squad.
Flying squad.
Flying squad.
Flying squad.
Flying squad. Flying squad refers to a group of people who are trained to respond quickly to emergencies or unexpected events. Typically, they work in law enforcement or emergency services and are deployed to provide rapid assistance in situations such as crimes in progress, accidents, or natural disasters. Members of a flying squad may be assigned to particular roles, such as medical response, tactical support, or crowd control. The effectiveness of a flying squad is often measured by their ability to arrive on the scene quickly, identify and assess the situation, and take appropriate action to mitigate harm and restore order.